What's good with y'all? We're back at it again with another video, as y'all see. And yeah, we finna be out in Raleigh today, and or this video and everything like that, you feel me? Just riding around, nighttime, doing all that. Well, I hope y'all enjoy. Y'all stay safe, and the quote for the day is, what is the quote for the day? Or for the night, anyways. An easy mind means an easy rest. There we go. That's the quote for the night. But yeah, y'all stay safe, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace. Oh damn, never mind, I already cut it off. Hell yeah.
I thought you were talking about the light going down or something?
Oh, I hear you. Oh, what's good, bro? Hey, we seen you again.
Where your bike at this song?
Ooh, for real. The foot, baby. Oh, hit the camera.
Every bad girl I see is a white flat.
Hey, bro, that's usually how it be, though. Hell yeah, through the light. Wave at the people. Yeah. I could try to find some tweaker territory. They still reply, I bet. It's crazy. You want $1?
Yeah.
You ready to risk this $1?
No.
Come get it $1.
Yo, I'll take it out. I got beef on that. Bet there's a tweaker in there right now.
I would hope so. Tweaker, tweaker, where were you? We got something to do now.
Yeah. Bro, everybody else on the fucking skaters, bro.
Facts.
Oh.
Okay, I see y'all, scooter gang. Okay, okay.
Go wheeling.
For real. Woo! Yeah, she was tight, that's for sure. Shit, that's what I'm saying. Woo! Yeah, no go. Hell yeah, this is the courthouse. Let's catch some more charges while we're here. Oh, I hear you. I hear you. There's some wee-woos as we're running red lights. Oh!
Pull over.
Right near the courthouse. You ready? Woo! The door's open for me too.
That would have been crazy. You would have been.
Got left. Just main strip left, I think. And that's on the cover, by the way. Yep, the SUV. Yeah, I know it is. Ooh. Hey, maybe there's some crackheads in there. You wanna go search for some crackheads? He said, that's my specialty. Got security over there. Let's hope he don't say nothing. Ah, nope. Yeah! When did Raleigh do this?
I got an idea.
Why? Ah. Sure. You're little coast action. Oh yeah. Wanna keep that? Yeah. Hopefully my finger don't fail me here. My finger tight as ever. Can't even balance it. Stop it. There ain't no car behind me. No cone action. Is that nigga K? Ah, should have kept that bitch up. Damn, I ain't fuck on my bike. This hill is fucking treacherous. Don't mind me, sorry. I think I hit that right, if I'm not mistaken. I got security, all that. Nice vet. That's little red. It's stock though, but it's still nice. Nice little stock vet is always nice. Yo, my fucking hip is fucking hurting like a bitch right now. I'm finna end the video, low key. But yeah, in case my camera does shut off, you know, I guess this would be the intro. Hope y'all enjoy. Y'all stay safe and yeah. Oh damn, I ain't do that right.